Hi, I'm Andy. In this video, we're going to look at the top questions that we receive from candidates about what it takes to be a financial advisor at our firm. Let's dive in. We believe that families and businesses, clients, want one financial advisor in their life. We think that often clients look for one financial advisor, but that's not what they find. Instead, they find a transactional advisor through the years, insurance, investments, and they're looking for one. They're looking for one person to help coordinate and integrate all of their affairs. And that's the job we're signing up for. We want to be their financial quarterback, and delivering on that, again, dollars follow value in life, allows us to place a healthy mix of insurance, investment products, and planning fees. That allows us to deliver on our mission as a firm and help those clients that are looking for that one financial advisor in life.
Let's address the real question here. Do you have to cold call? In short, no. Our definition of a planning practice is helping 125 families or businesses over your first 5 years with us, regardless of your experience. We believe in quality over quantity, and in doing so, don't take the extreme measures of knocking on doors or cold calling. We think you'll find your clients in 3 ways. First, everyone has a natural market. That doesn't mean you'll be forced to sell to your friends and family. And assuming you know how we help people and believe in what we do, there will be people you know who want or need our services. Others may become centers of influence or connect you with people in their sphere who could potentially find value in the work that you do, which leads to the second source of clients, introductions. We train you on how to ask for and obtain introductions. It's not hard, but it's a skill that requires time and practice to develop, and we're here to help. Third, and this is where the majority of your clients will eventually come from, target markets. We'll help you identify, define, and refine not just your target markets, but who your ideal clients are. This might be business owners who are in real estate, physician assistants, or executives close to retirement. Whatever it is, you'll enjoy the people you work with, they'll be the economic engine that drives your practice, and you'll be able to stand out and differentiate yourself within the segments you want to work within.
We believe that advisors have 2 unique abilities, and while every advisor has things that they're below average at, average, or uniquely gifted, these 2 unique abilities they have in spades. 1, they're great at client relationships. They love them, they love finding them, cultivating them, and making the most that they can be. And then 2, they like making complex financial stuff simple. And yet there's so many other things that get in the way of those 2 things every week and every year for an advisor. So at CP, we've decided long ago that to best help advisors focus on those 2 unique abilities, client relationships and making complex stuff simple, we're here to do all the rest. We're here to take the things that you're below average and average at that maybe you could do, but you shouldn't be doing. They crowd out the things that you're the best at. So we have a group that focuses on paperwork for you for the rest of your career. A group that focuses on planning case design, marketing support, target marketing support, mentorship, product design and product help, and so on. And we keep aiming to develop and think about new things and new ways to help advisors, again, focus on those 2 unique abilities so that they can be their best.
We have a proven process to equip individuals new to this industry with the skills for them to develop into successful financial advisors. Our new advisor playbook provides a clear path for helping 125 clients over your first 5 years. We provide training on how to be a good planning advisor, marketing know-how, mentorship, and a path to build a practice. We find that those in this business for a few years often plateau at other firms. This could be because of a lack of know-how around investments, insurance, fee-based planning, business planning, marketing, or simply limited resources and support. Most often, experienced financial advisors hit a level of complexity in their current practice where they spend too much time on administrative tasks. They either don't have a clear target marketing plan, they constantly battle finding time to work on the important, and are stuck with up to 80% of their time being used for non-revenue generating tasks.
So compensation first revolves around one of our practice building playbooks. And for us, that's a hallmark of what we do. And foundationally, that's around helping 125 families or businesses over your first 5 years. Dollars follow value in life. So as you add value to those clients, dollars follow. And those are always through a combination of insurance, investments, and planning fees over time, based on the playbook that you're after. Knowing what that's going to look like for your next 5 years is the best way to gauge what your compensation should look like. So in essence, you do own your own book. You're building a planning practice over your next 5 years with us. We're members of the broker protocol. And because of that, of course, you own your book. Clients follow you anywhere. We think there's a lot of things that make us different here at CP. One, we just think differently about most everything to begin with. We're very entrepreneurial. We try things that have never been done in the industry. Some work, some don't, but we're willing to try new things. We're creative. Our approach to training and development, planning fees, mentorship, or planning philosophies in general, you'll find as you get to know us, we just think differently. But also it's around this healthy mix of the next three things. What is our culture? We're nice people. We're lucky to not have a lot of turnover. There's a lot of reasons for that, but one of the reasons is because of our people. Number two, our living balance sheet philosophies, how we're planning process based, how we're consultative with our approach, and not transactional. A lot of firms may say that, but we act that way. We behave that way every day. And number three, because of our planning philosophies, because we're so consultative, we have a healthy mix of both insurance, investments, and planning fees here. We think consumers are looking for a one-stop shop for all those things, and we're that place.
Thanks for watching the video today. Hopefully it helped answer some of your questions. If you'd like to learn more, please check out our Learning Center. Or if you'd like to explore next steps, click the link below. We'll talk to you soon.